One of the things that can make life a lot easier when you're running CheckPoint is if the data you want to load in is available in Excel and can be loaded in from there. So we've just got a very simple Excel spreadsheet here with date, from to, an activity code and a comment. And we want to load that data into CheckPoint into the daily activity section for this vessel. So we just go into the 7th, and that data is activity data. So in here we've got activity, from, to and comment that we want to fill in. So we click on Excel import, select that file, and the system will pop up our Excel import setup window. So we can see at the top right here our spreadsheet. We're just going to go into the general settings. I'm going to say to it, okay, you're going to load from this. Let's load from rows 2 to 100. And one of the other things we're going to do is we're going to say check date against column, because we can see in this first column we've got the date, and if we set that to column A, that just means that if we select the wrong file, which is very easy to do when you're loading data on a daily basis, it's very easy to load the wrong data accidentally. This way that will stop the load because it will be looking for the date down this column. The other columns will all be imported, and if you see them in red in the configuration window in the top left, it means that something's getting in the way of the data loading. The system will not load data if it doesn't recognize it. So at the moment it's looking for activity. It's set to import from the worksheet, but it's looking at column C where we want to put it for column D. And column D has that activity as prime prod LC XLC, so we'll come through and select those and match those to the CheckPoint code. So we're matching what's in the spreadsheet into the CheckPoint codes, and CheckPoint is starting to pick that data up. For the from field, we want to pick that up from column B. Doing so brings the data in more correctly. The to field, again, we want to bring that in from column C. And then finally the comment, import from worksheet, column E. There are plenty of other options in here as we come across different formats that people, particularly things like times, where people give us odd times in spreadsheets. It's possible to do a lot of things in Excel which can cause problems. Those all can be configured in here. Load the system up, providing it's looking good and it's ready to load, it'll allow you to load it, and you can just load that straight into CheckPoint like so.